beautiful people. How you all doing? This is Deepika Chakravarti and welcome to this brand new channel of mine. Brand new channel, brand new business, brand new website जिसका नाम है Amateur Pen. सारे links मैं आपको दे दूंगी. But this channel it will basically be my safe space for giving out my ideas, telling you about the product, give you the details of my business. It's a small business, बहुत ही nascent है and coming from a medical background जिसको लाइफ में बिजनेस के बारे में कोई आइडिया नहीं है. दिस इज ऑल चाइल्ड ऑफ माई पैशन बिकॉज मुझे आर्ट पसंद है, मुझे क्रिएट करना पसंद है एंड आई थिंक दिस इज वन थिंग दैट आई एम रियली 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 पैशनेट अबाउट. इस चैनल में मैं ट्राई करूंगी कि मैं अपने प्रोडक्ट्स का information दूँ, give you the details of my channel. And since I'm making my own products as of now, because this is a nascent company, I love to create, I love all the DIY things and मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि at this is the only stage जहाँ पे मैं इसका प्रोडक्शन पूरी तरीके से सिंगल हैंडेडली हैंडल कर सकती हूँ. बिकॉज आई ऑब्वियसली डोंट हैव मच ऑडियंस, आई डोंट हैव कस्टमर्स इतना सारा pouring in, which I hope कि by God grace आएंगे धीरे धीरे as I go on. I'm going to share all my learning experiences जो भी I'm learning through YouTube or through other people. I'm also gonna share all the requirements of starting a new business. If I come across any problem, I think वो सब भी मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूंगी. तो my experience will help you if in case आप लोग कोई बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना चाहते हो और इन केस आप enjoy करते हो just DIY thing and people talking about their new ventures. I think this is your place. So before anything else, let me introduce myself. I'm Deepika Chakravarti. Actually, I'm Dr. Deepika Chakravarti. I'm a medico. Talking about my brief journey, my father was in army and my mother is a homemaker. So because of my father's job ka nature, we kept on moving around a lot. I've been to Maharashtra, I've been to Rajasthan, Jammu Kashmir, West Bengal, and after my 12th that I did in Jodhpur Army School, वहाँ से I got selected in my MBBS जो कि मैंने किया North Bengal Medical College से, that is my alma mater. वहाँ पे मैंने अपना MBBS complete करके I came back to Delhi, worked for some time and then I got a seat in AIIMS ऋषिकेश जो कि मैंने माइक्रोबायोलॉजी में किया PG. माइक्रोबायोलॉजी में आके not only that I started developing passion for colors because we have to deal with the microorganisms and different stains जो कि बहुत कलरफुल होते हैं. Obviously आप लोग को डायग्राम बनाना ये सब तो होता ही है, वो तो मेडिकल फील्ड में ऐसे ही होता है. All those colorful diagrams actually made me passionate towards colors. I started drawing, I started art, and I started painting. My co-PG was also a lot into these artistic things, so we together started our art journey. When I came back to Delhi after my PG shift to start my SR shift, and यहाँ पे आने के बाद I realized कि मेरा art को लेके जो passion है, it is still there, but because of my job and because I'm not able to plan my day itna efficiently, though I do get time with my job nature, but I wasn't able to plan my day efficiently. That actually built up a lot of frustration in me. So one thing that I knew I needed for sure was planner, because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि all these years जो कि मैं planner use कर रही थी, तब मैं बहुत efficiently अपना day जो है वो लिव कर रही थी. तो आई रियलाइज कि आई नीडेड टू प्लान माई डे. नाउ 2024 नवंबर में जब मार्केट में बहुत सारे प्लानर्स आ जाते हैं, तो दैट वाज द टाइम आई वाज आल्सो सर्चिंग फॉर अ प्लानर. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड विद द प्लानर सर्चिंग इज कि दिस ईयर none of the planner actually got my attention, and it got me to thinking, what if I make my own planner? Because last to last year when I was in my hostel, actually एक दिन मेरे को बहुत I don't know what came to me and I was like, I had a printer at home and मुझे ऐसा लगा I should print my own planner the way I want it to be, and मैंने रात रात में मेरा एक planner बनाया. I actually liked it, and this year I thought कि I should do the same for myself. And then it occurred to me, what if I make this passion thing? Because again, this is the same thing, you know, anything with a reason, anything with a goal or aim makes me वर्क हार्ड। जब मैं एमबीबीएस के लिए तैयारी कर रही थी, माई लाइफ वॉज टू गोल ड्रिवन कि अच्छा आपको एमबीबीएस में जाना है। दैट हेल्प मी अ लॉट वर्क टूवर्ड्स माई गोल। then came PG. तो now, right now, I actually was taking a break from my study पूरा रूटीन से। एंड ये बाकी पढ़ाई जो करनी पड़ती है वो तो ठीक है, आपको करनी ही पड़ेगी, but it wasn't a goal oriented padhai. I wasn't studying for some exam or to achieve a goal this time. So I was like ki, if I want to make this planner thing work for myself, I have to make some goal oriented program around this. So this was my thing. तो मुझे ऐसा लगा building a business is my new goal. That as a new goal would really help me to go through this whole journey of planning and then making new things. Again, because my arts and painting was taking a backseat, it would also help me to nourish that part of mine. So this was for me बहुत ही बड़ा एक aim driven चीज था, and it got me excited. Now planner, let's face it, नवंबर में planner प्लान करना, बनाना एंड मेरे ही जो चीज़ मुझे सबसे अच्छी लगे वैसा कोई चीज़ बनाना was not possible because people work so hard for so many months to make a planner. A lot of R&D goes behind this. So I knew something of that sort I didn't want to make because आधे मन से कोई भी काम मुझे नहीं लगता would really give me the satisfaction. Then I thought कि I want to make something at least. Calendar is one more thing that fascinates me a lot. तो मैंने सोचा कि let's start with that. Now of lately I was getting interested a lot in zodiac signs and horoscope zodiacs जो है उसमें I don't know if you are like me or not, पर मुझे इस पे भरोसा हो या नहीं हो, बट आई डू लव टू रीड ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन दैट हॉरोस्कोप्स हैज। सो मेरे को बड़ा मजा आता था हॉरोस्कोप के सारे इंफॉर्मेशन पढ़ने पे। एंड देन मुझे ऐसा लगा बिकॉज आई बिलोंग टू मेडिकल लाइन, तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि व्हाट इफ आई मेक समथिंग आउट ऑफ horoscope and medical का collaboration. So I started searching for it and I realized कि zodiac sign have effect on your anatomy, and voila, that was my whole thing, and I really wanted to work on it. 2 months of this R&D and everything went on these days, and I came up with 12 zodiac and anatomy ka collaboration. This was the most exciting part of the year 2024, and believe me, I was so driven. Every day I used to doodle, I used to paint, I used to make amends with my ideas, and मुझे I realized कि how creative my day became. तो ये चीज़ was the best part of my life, and that's why I am so passionate about this new venture of mine. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि it all of this becomes much more special for me जब मैं ये शेयर करती हूँ on YouTube, और या मैं अपना ये जर्नी एक व्लॉग करके रखती हूँ for my own memories. तो yeah, that's why I'm vlogging all these things. Now today is January 25 as I'm shooting this, and I know most of the people have bought their कैलेंडर ऑलरेडी, एंड मैंने ये कैलेंडर भी बहुत ही लेट लॉन्च किया था। आई न्यू कि इसका मार्केट मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं मिलेगा, but I'm still so proud of this creation of mine because this was the first thing that made me work towards this whole project like crazy. And also कि मैंने ये वेबसाइट भी इसीलिए जल्दी लॉन्च किया था because I wanted this to be a part of 2025, and I want you guys to see it. Now the thing is कि अभी everything is handmade, and वैसे तो मैं एनीवेज अपने प्रोडक्ट से बहुत ज़्यादा क्लोज रहूंगी इन फ्यूचर ऑल्सो इफ आई स्टार्ट getting it printed somewhere else by a manufacturer or by any printing press. But this is, I think, the nascent phase जहाँ पे मैं सबसे ज़्यादा इससे connected हूँ. So I'm really proud of this. So yeah, this is why I'm going to share it with you guys. So Yeah, this is my 2025 ka calendar. Now, this is What's Your Rashi calendar. I have it in two sizes. One is to this, another is a small A5 size का. The content is A5 size and थोड़ा सा उसका stand है वो थोड़ा सा बड़ा होता है, तो वो छोटा वाला size है. उसमें भी same ही design है. उसमें the holidays are not mentioned in details, but in this I have mentioned all the holidays. I have tried to keep it as colorful as possible because I am a colorful person. I love colors, and so yeah, this is What's Your Rashi. This is the first page. Then, as we turn it, this is a welcome note from me, and यहाँ पे मैंने द क्रस्ट ऑफ द होल कैलेंडर समझा रखा है एंड आई फील why this calendar is much more special to me because I myself learned a lot about all those things. I really feel ki this is one information. This is a merge of two sciences, astrology and medical science, and I feel ki I'm that kid who learns to boast what she has learned, and that's why I wanted to say it out loud ki listen, this is how horoscope also affect our body. So yeah, that's why. So the first page is January. Now what I have done is ki this is my character. Now every character that I have made has some importance to it. Now this is the skeletons because Capricorn is a sign which is associated with body organ, body parts, bones, joint, knees, teeth, and a description has been given. It governs the skeletal system and structural integrity, joint pain, dental health might be areas of sensitivity. Every picture has some significance. जिस भी पार्ट को मैं ज़्यादा एम्पलीफाई करना चाहती थी या जिसके बारे में मैं बताना चाहती थी उस मंथ के लिए, आई हैव emphasized in it in some or the other way. Like यहाँ पे knees are important, so this is the knees, like she is sitting like this, and then skeleton, it is associated with skeleton, and this is the sign जो कि we make with Capricorn. And then I have included all the holidays. Now these are not just the gadgeted holidays, these are the gadgeted holidays plus restricted holidays plus important days. And this is the constellation, and I have left a little space here notes करके. You can write your important schedules or you can write important birthdays, anniversaries, anything जो कि आपको अच्छा लगेगा. And then I have also added some key picture or key symbols जो भी छुट्टी का है in the respective dates. So if it is Happy New Year, then this Happy New Year का वो है. Then Lori, this is Lori. Makar Sankranti, Pongal. So I have kept these things, mostly of course Indian holidays, and some of them I have tried to include as much as possible, but obviously mostly Indian holidays. And then I have Aquarius, I have Pisces, and so on and so forth. All the months and the respective zodiac sign has been mentioned. Now, when we go to the other side, so ये जो दूसरा side है, this is what I was talking about कि description जो है. Now, if this is the sign or the picture that I have made for this respective month, this is why I have made this. This is the description that I was talking about, boasting out the knowledge. I told you ना. So yeah, this is what it is all about. Similarly, यहाँ पे Aquarius के लिए है, यहाँ पे Capricorn के लिए है, and yes, so this is all about the description and everything. I'm not taking you through all the months because उससे video बड़ा हो जाएगा. So this is the stand. This is how it stands. So basically when this calendar stands like this, what happens is कि यहाँ पे आपका month होता है and यहाँ पे आपका description होता है. You can just see it that way. So yeah, this is my baby calendar and I know it's 25 already and January आ चुका है. जिसको भी अपना जो calendar खरीदना था वो खरीद चुका है. Also, I know this is a DIY thing, but it's a new information and I am sure you guys would love this on your calendar. So in case आपने अपना calendar नहीं खरीदा है, you can buy this. I'll provide a link to the website in the description center. Kindly go through that. If you feel like buying anything else, I'm going to put description of all my products one by one in future videos, and I hope you would love this. I hope you would support my business, and I also hope that you would give me any necessary feedback. It's always welcomed. So yes, please do follow this channel to know the BTS of my business and to know how am I trying to grow this nascent business using a brain with no business ideas. And I am enjoying this process, and I hope you would also enjoy this process along with me. Come join my journey. Please consider subscribing to my channel and tell your family and friends who are interested in calendars, planners to visit my website Amateur Pen and get your supplies. This would help my new business and also would help me grow and learn more. Like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also click the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video you get notified. And with that, it's time for me to wrap up this video. See you again in the next video. Until then, you all take care of yourself. Bye.